Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? Chaseway is back with another video. I think I always put an S when I say Chaseway. Chaseway, yeah, I do. But anyway, we are here with my mother, helping her sell her hair bows today. Came to help her set up. And then we got some watermelons going on over there. This Proto Junction. She trying to figure out her Instagram. But we're gonna be here till noon. Today is the 27th of July. And we're gonna be here till noon, helping her see what type of customers she can get for today. This your first time up here?
Here at this location, yeah. I've done it like last year.
First time here for the first location. Hopefully we're gonna keep trying to do this regularly. Hopefully, I guess probably almost every Saturday that we could try. What time is it? What time is it right now?
It is 7:58.
Okay, 7:58, 9 o'clock. We got some sneakers dropping, the Define ones. So while I'm out here, I need to make sure my iPad is charging up. We got the Defiant ones coming out. If you don't know what that look like, it look like that. But still gotta try to go for these sneakers out here. Yesterday, me and Noah, we have to group up, me, Noah, and Hunter. We have to go over a few little business ideas, few ideas that we have to bring to the table. So, and you see what I'm rocking with right now. Got the Forever and Cold Sweats. Now I don't know if they still sell these, but these joints pretty hard. Got the Yeezys on. Just chilling for today. But let's see. Got the iPad going on. Oh. Alright, so we still got some sneakers to go get. We still got some more hair bows too. What I didn't say, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you click that subscribe button, be a part of that Driver Squad, and make sure you leave a like down below. Cause I know who wouldn't want to support their mother, support their peers, or whatever business ventures they got out there. Follow me on Instagram at _Chaseway if you want to see some of the bows that she got. Even though I just showed y'all, I can go back and show y'all again and she can talk about them. But these are the shoes that come out. We got the Tinker 3s. I think these gonna sit though. And then we got the pair of SB Dunk Lows that's coming out. And then we also have the Define one. So we're gonna be working off the iPad and the phone. So we gotta do both of those. But let's go get some more detailed information about some of these bows. We're gonna make a sister work. Yeah, I'm gonna make you work. Now tell me about your holiday bows. These are your what, Christmas bows?
Yeah, those are some Christmas bows that I done brought out.
What's these Easter bows right here?
Yeah, those some Easter flavor and the dark blue. That's just some colors that I put for fall or something like that. And then I have some Valentine bows out here, and some 4th of July, things like that I've made from different holidays. So you come out there and get those early.
And if you live in North Little Rock, or you have anyone that's going to North Little Rock School District, here goes some North Little Rock bows as well.
Absolutely.
And then you also do custom bows for other schools, right?
Absolutely, yes. So if you want to do something for your cheerleading drill team, whatever, hit me up and I will make some bows specifically your color.
Or dogs.
Or dogs, yes, definitely dogs. They just not for little girls, they are so for your little cute dogs. So I have a dog and pay to wear these bows.
And then tell me more about these bows.
Those are the spring summer collection that I hit out this summer. So you can still paint. It's just what it is. It's like they say, it's custom bows. It's whatever color. I can get the ribbon, make it for you, whatever design you want that you see on the table here.
So if it's any particular design that you see, her description will be down below. So if you see anything you like the style, you got the headbands for even little girls.
Yeah, and the headbands are actually $5. I didn't
So the
say
headbands are $5.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're 5.
See, I like this style right there. I like these style right there. Those two styles right there, and I like this little style right there too.
Yeah, it's a big different type of style.
Feel like talking?
Sure.
How much are your bows?
Oh, you talking about now?
Mm-hmm.
They're 1 for $3 or 2 for $5.
What 7 for 20?
Yeah, so 7 for 20. I'm trying to work this Instagram. I'm still learning, but yes, come out see me. I'm off of Proto Junction exit. I will
Well,
be here.
It's gonna be posted a little bit later on.
Well,
But
that's
today
fine.
we posted in Rose City on Proto Junction.
That's all right. Yeah, we are in Rose City off of Proto Junction. It's a noon today. Come see me. Hair bows.
Or
Back
you
to
can
school.
Or you can contact her at 501-612-5235. Also, I know your Facebook gonna be down below, but what is your Instagram and Facebook? What's your Facebook?
My Facebook is DeAndre Smith, and my hair bow Instagram is DeAndre_Smith.
Alrighty.
I don't want to lose the right.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on Mars for real.